Mayong adlaw mga ginikanan ug mga estudyante, mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. So this afternoon, I will share to you how to enroll yourself in Canvas. So unsay mga kinahanglan ninyo na gamit, kailangan lang og laptop or personal computer or even your cell phone will do in order to have access. However, you need an internet connection because Canvas is an online platform where we can work with to learn many things in life like our subjects or our courses this school year where we have pandemic. So you can use any of the web browsers. So what are the web browsers? We have Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, whatever you have in your laptop as long as it's a browser. Okay, for this afternoon's illustration, I will use this. Oh, instead of that, I will use Microsoft Edge. Let's try this Microsoft Edge here because I was using Google Chrome, usually my Mozilla Firefox for my first video about this, and then let's try this one first. I hope this browser cannot remember who I am. Okay, so the first thing is you need the link that is sent by your teacher to you. So you can find it in your homeroom group chat, or it is personally messaged to you by the teacher, or it is emailed to you. However, if it's not emailed to you, probably it's really in the GC. So for this illustration, I'm using my personal account and I send the link to my account. So I will use this link, the first link in my Messenger account. So the teacher will send a link for you to register, or you can go to canvas.instructure.com/register. Just be sure that you have the code of the class. So Canvas instructure, click, and then this is the interface where you will be directed to when you click that link. So since you are enrolling for the course, then you are a student. So parents sign up here. Again, if you notice, parents should sign up here as a parent. But if you are signing up for your student or for your son or daughter, for yourself, then use I'm a student. So join code. What's the code for KBH6?